Hello good people, hopefully today is great today for you all. Building resilient and sustainable communities during the pandemic. I am Emilia Setiawati, Executive Secretary of Bina Swadaya Foundation. Let me introduce our organization. The milestone starting from 1967 that Sosial Tani Membangun established as a farmer organization. Because of the law that magazine should have a specific legal, in 1985, Sosial Tani Membangun Foundation transformed and become Bina Swadaya Foundation. That organization has mission to help the marginal people. Our activities are training, assist the poor communities, and support the agriculture tools and input. Also, we have social enterprise. We work together with the community. In 2017, Bina Swadaya did the village revitalization movement, and we have strengthened our position that Bina Swadaya is social enterprise. COVID-19 shocked the agriculture business. In input phase, lockdown makes supply distribution disrupted. So, the villagers are getting less supply input and prices are getting higher. But we were still lucky because we were in wet season. In production, less input in agriculture labor because of local lockdown make the impact of situation that harvest and less income for farmers. Processing and distribution phase disrupted because of the lockdown. So they have trouble distributing from village to other areas. The situation are becoming more difficult because imbalance supply and demand. Cafe should be closed so their product cannot be sold. On the other hand, the demand from communities getting low because their income are decreasing. What we should do to building back better? Input. We should have provision of quality local seed. The young farmer can become our beneficiaries. In production, we should have sustainable agriculture product, diversification product, and introduce urban farming to stop the lack of food or for food self-sufficient. How about the processing? Loose and waste products during the pandemic are getting higher. We try to introduce the processing product like frozen food or other processing product. Marketing. We push the marketing online, assist the digital technology. Consumer. The customer behavior have changed because of pandemic. They need healthy product but easy to access from home. Current situation of urban communities. Urban communities are becoming vulnerable because of COVID-19. Close of tourism sector, hotel, restaurant, and cafe, and also manufacturing decrease their productivity. What should they do? They have choices to back to hometown, switching the profession, change the habit, become frugal person. And they need to answer their question. They need 1. New knowledge, 2. New experiences, 3. Capital, and 4. Cost priority. What activities that we should do to create for them? Training, assistance, cash subsidies from government, and also social support. Here's the example that we have done to help them. We train tour guide to learn urban farming. Cooperation with tourism ministry. Trubus Bina Swadaya give them training. Assist using online platform until they succeed one planting session. They continue their own and change the profession as a urban farmer. Trubus Shop also assists the women become sociopreneur. They make fertilizer compost from goat. They survive and they have higher income compared to before the pandemic. What the families member to have the productivity activities? We train urban people to plant vegetable around their house. Using hydroponic system that no need big land. We also train the cultivate vegetable and catfish in a bucket. For social support, women group plant the vegetable in their house and distribute for free to help anybody who need support. It is not easy to us and to them. We cannot see each other and they have illiterate digital. It is challenge for us to make easy curriculum and make short video that they can reach by WhatsApp and other social media. We cooperation with local government and religion group to help them to operate a digital platform. Agriculture is the family backbone during the pandemic. Why? On the pandemic, urban people have less income, layoff, and unpaid. Also, they should have activities at home because of lockdown, and social distancing push them stay at home. They need and should be change their behavior become fragile. Change their lifestyle from consume in restaurant become cook by themselves. Consume the healthy and fresh product. Also, they change behavior become centennial behavior. Everything become online. They productive from home, maximize their capital from home, including family land. They become household agriculture. Do agriculture activities at home, produce the fresh product with less price, and could increase their family income. Trubus Bina Swadaya have an inspiring training session using the online platform, such as in Instagram Talk and Trubus class using Zoom. Our training purpose is to inspire people that agriculture is the important and profitable for the future. For example, how the vineyard will be very profitable in tropic area like in Indonesia. Or who think that red ginger that easy to plant become the essential herb to boost your immune. And we touch young people become farmer by inspiring them with success young farmer. Since June 2020, Trubus Bina Swadaya rise and against the COVID-19. We will build forward better. Our business model is social enterprise in online business. Social and business are embedded. Our business starting from upstream to downstream. We work with for poor and marginal people, hand in hand with other stakeholders. Bina Swadaya do business and empowerment. Publishing to spread the knowledge, selling agriculture input to empowerment small farmer, provide training material and training center, assistant and empowerment the farmer, and become hub and support farmer ecosystem. Agribusiness cooperation Trubus Bina Swadaya with self-help group and cooperative. We have several companies that work with communities, like Trubus Mitra Swadaya that have business in agriculture shop. They have cooperation with compost group and seed cultivation group. Our publishing, Trubus Magazine, Penebar Swadaya, and other publishing that we have. They have cooperation with Catfish Food, Poultry Breeder, Herb Group, Organic Community, also Hydroponic Community. Bina Swadaya Consultant. They work with Cattle Farm Group, Saving and Lending Group, also other company in mining. Cooperative, Bina Swadaya Nusantara. Women Saving Led Group, Micro Enterprise Group, is the product from cooperative of Bina Swadaya Nusantara. Wisma Hijau Training Center, they have cooperation with Food Stall Community, Frozen Food, and Processing Food Community. What we have contribute in SDGs? SDGs number 1, without poverty. SDGs number 2, without hunger. SDGs number 3, ensure healthy lives and promote well-being for all at all ages. Also, we contribute SDGs number 5, gender equality. SDGs number 8, promote sustain, inclusive and sustainable economic growth, full and productive employment, and decent work for all. We contribute SDGs number 10, reduce inequality within and among countries. Also SDG number 12, ensure sustainable consumption and production pattern. And the last, SDGs number 17, strengthen the means of implementation and revitalize the global partnership for sustainable development. This is our experience together with the communities and what we have done to contribute the SDGs in Indonesia. Resilience is not only written in a piece of paper, but should build and strengthen together. We work and do it for better life and better future. Thank you.